Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will compare LANGCHAIN and LLAMAINDEX. LANGCHAIN and LLAMAINDEX are both powerful frameworks for working with LLMs. LANGCHAIN is a powerful tool for building AI applications by connecting different language models, APIs, and data sources. It handles tasks by connecting prompts, remembering past chats, and using smart agents for automation. It is great for apps that need step-by-step reasoning, decision-making, and working with various types of information. Developers often use LANGCHAIN to create chatbots, AI assistants, and automated workflows. LLAMAINDEX, on the other hand, helps AI models find and use information more effectively by organizing and retrieving data. It links AI to private files, databases, and documents using smart search methods. It makes searches more accurate, improves understanding of context, and enhances AI-powered responses. It's especially useful for managing knowledge and building smarter search tools that give better answers. In my opinion, LANGCHAIN is best for building AI applications, while LLAMAINDEX is ideal for improving data retrieval and knowledge access. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.